Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to all of you guys for your love and your continuous support. Today is a hair tutorial. I know that's what you guys have been wanting. I know that's what you guys need. So we're going to do a hair tutorial. I know you see the location has changed. A lot has happened. It's been a long time. I've moved houses. But today we're going to get into the hair. This is my hair at the moment. So I did wash it last week. I washed it. So I had done some braids and stuff, but I didn't fully take them out. That's why you see the inside. It's like a curl pattern and all that stuff. I did do a chop recently as well because my hair was getting knotted. I really wasn't taking care of my hair the way that I should have been. But yeah, so I'm going to blow out my hair and just see what we're working with. And then I also want to try this comb. Guys, there's so much stuff that I bought while I was away. So much stuff that I bought that I want to review for you guys. My whole drawer. I pretty much own a shop. I can sell. Anyway, I want to try out this hair straightener that I got from Kmart of all places. I just want to give it a go. You know how I am. If you can buy it for cheap, I'm gonna get it for cheap. I don't see the need in spending $100,000 for something to do the exact same thing. So that's a lot of waffling and a lot of talking. Let's get into the video. I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair. You guys have seen the technique. Then I'm gonna finish up and get back to you guys. The way my hair looks when it's hydrated now. I like my wash and go. She's cute. I feel bad kind of putting heat on it and stuff. You gotta do what you gotta do. Let's get into the blow drying quickly and then we'll get into the straightening quickly. You know the drill, go in with your heat protectant. I decreased the temperature to 160 because the babes was smoking. She still is, but that's because obviously there's hair and stuff in it, so the hair is going to continue to smoke. However, my hair, because it's very humid in here, is not even it's not even evening, so this looks like a fresh blowout. So I don't like Anyway, I left the last two for you guys because what's it called? My battery ran out and it was overheating, so I kept going and then I left the last two to show you how it's pretty easy to use though. I'll give it that. And I like the fact that you can thing your temperature. You can test your you can change your temperature so that you can decide how much you want to fry your hair. Those who know me very well know I do not like to fry my hair. Alright, so this is it. What the hell? It's literally the same as when I blowed it out. I really want to try the Color Wow something something something. My sister-in-law recommended it, so I might give that boy a try. Anyway, I'm gonna stop straightening because clearly we're not getting anywhere. We're not getting very far. This is my satin press. This is my satin press. Should we call it a satin press or a crushed satin? Usability wise, she's not bad. She's not bad at all. Especially for our hair type, especially if you're like me and you don't like to use too much heat. This kind of restricts you a little bit. Alright guys, I'm hot and I need to eat. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, go buy it. If you find something similar, go buy it. If you don't, that's alright. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your evening, afternoon, morning, whatever it is. I love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.